everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello and welcome. So today I'm going to be unboxing a mystery box from Septrum brushes. So I saw on TikTok that they had come out with a new mystery box and I haven't had one for a while, and I was looking at the theme and it's a movie theme, so I was quite excited about that because I'm a big movie fan and I thought I would purchase it. So it came in this massive box because you do get a box but you also get other things on top, so the paper's flying around because I have my fan on, but yeah, it comes with the standard like Septrum paper, which I'm very excited about. So I'll show you what was on the outside first because you get a lot in here. So I think the box itself was $39.99. I had like free shipping because you get coupons and stuff, so it turned out within about a week and a bit, which is pretty standard for like TikTok shop, to be honest, because I know sometimes they can take a while to arrive. But the first thing you get in here is some marble brushes. So you get a selection of 6 brushes. So I'm just going to open it to show you guys. I forgot to take off the plastic stickers on there, so I'm just going to kind of rip the box because the boxes I never keep for some reason. So yeah, you get this selection of face brushes, and to be honest, I haven't used all of my brushes since the last mystery box because the brushes I have at the moment are perfectly fine. So these ones obviously won't go out of date and they're so soft, and I never really use fan brushes. I have some but I don't use them. But you got some powder brushes, you get foundation, you get kind of like highlighter ones, you get some eye ones and a fan. So that is super duper nice itself. I don't know how much things are individually because they just don't list that. But then you also on the outside get some more brushes. So you get some single makeup brushes. So let me just open to show you guys. So you get one angled brush which you can use for making a wing, or you can use it for your eyebrows, which as you can see I don't I don't do anything for my eyebrows. Next we have another single brush, of course, but what brush is this today? We have a nice fluffy brush. So this is a corner fluffy brush for the eyes, very nice. Septrum brushes are kind of the only brushes that I use. I do use Beauty Bay ones, but that's kind of about it because Septrum ones are just so great. But I've bought so many of them before that I just don't have a need to buy any other ones. And then the last one we have is a small flat brush. So I guess you can use it for like paint, or if you want to use like very something defined, then those are perfect. So that was on the outside, and then now you get the actual box itself. So I'm just put everything down because my table is so tiny. So this is the Septrum Cinema, now showing Septrum Sisters starting from the garage. So yeah, it's kind of like shown as a ticket, like an old school cinema ticket, which I absolutely love. And then you open up the box itself, you get a nice selection of items. So let's see what you get. So one thing that I see in every mystery box, like every single one that I've had, is their mascara. So this is the mini dark matter mascara. I haven't used my other one from the last mystery box because I don't use mascara as much as I used to, but I still have other mascaras that I try. So this is the mini version. The larger size is good. I mean, it's a mascara for me, it's nothing too crazy. Next we have a brush soap, which I'm very excited to try because I do like washing my brushes. A lot of people don't, but it's a nice fun activity for me to like do something. And yeah, it smells of what it says, sea salt and vanilla, and you get a little brush at the top. So this is perfect. I think these are like maybe 15-20 pounds by themselves, so that's pretty awesome. Next thing we have is what I wanted to try for ages. This is their Pinch Pot blush balm, and yeah, balm blush, sorry. I've wanted to try this for ages. Like, as you guys know, I love a blush, and I have always wanted to try their blushes, but I always felt like it's probably a bit too expensive for me to just order a blush by itself. This is in the shade Joyful. So this is a nice kind of like deepy pink tone. I'm not going to use it today because I don't have like a full face to try and show you guys. It also comes with the brush, which is amazing, but it's like stuck in between here, so I'm trying to like get it open. But yeah, you get a really nice brush, which I'm very excited to try as well. I will hopefully soon do full face of first impressions or something, and I'll definitely use this because it's something that I wanted to try for bloody ages, and now that I have it, I'm so excited. So let's go on to the next thing. We have a Wonder sponge set, so you get 2 sponges, I believe, and I do love their sponges a lot. I either use their sponges, again, beauty based sponges, or ones that I get from Primark that I just don't really want to like use a crazy amount of, because like they need to get washed all the time and stuff like that. So this one you get 1 tiny one and 1 larger size one, so that's pretty cool. You can never have too many sponges, honestly, and these sponges are really good. Like I wash mine like very frequently and they don't get damaged at all, which is great. The next thing we have is an lip balm. So this is a pink grapefruit lip balm. I've not tried any of their lip balms, so I'm very excited to see what this smells like. I don't know if this is, oh no, it's not. I was gonna say, is it a scrub, but it's not. Oh, that smells amazing. So yeah, that's grapefruit, and that's really nice. I mean, I'll probably use this before I go to bed, just because this is pretty heavy to like keep in my bag to like when I go to work or when I do anything. We're not finished yet, guys. We still have 2 more things. So we have more brushes, but this is for the Emily in Paris set. So I know, must have been a couple of months ago or less than a year ago, they did a collaboration with the show Emily in Paris. I think it's a show, haven't watched it, but I believe it is a Netflix show. I love this packaging, like as like a camera. It could be something relevant to the show, I'm not sure, but you get a nice little set of some brushes. So you get the tapered blender, precision crease, mini paddle and luxe paddle. So nice selection. You get some nice kind of pink handles as well. And remember guys, I'm not finished yet. I've got one more thing now, but so far this is like obviously a lot more than the £40 I spent. And then the last thing we have is a sleep mask, scrunchie and comb. Oh, it's a little set. I thought it was only one thing. Oh my god, that's so cute. I've needed a new eye mask for ages because the one that I have has gotten so old, but this is also very nice and soft for my sensitive skin. So we've got beauty sleep written on there. That's amazing. I'm going to take this to Disney with me because I need a new eye mask. A beautiful soft scrunchie. Oh my god, that's so soft. And then a comb. I don't know if I would use this. It's really nice, but it's a bit more kind of rough than a normal hairbrush I would use. I do use hairbrushes, trust me, my hair's just always a mess. But that is super cute. I didn't even know this came with it. I literally thought it was just an eye mask because I was like, I need an eye mask, so I'm really happy to get this bundle, because not to just buy an eye mask, but because it came with one and I really needed one. But that is, you can never have too many scrunchies, honestly. I lose them all the blade time. This is amazing. I'm so happy about an eye mask. It's ridiculous. But that is everything that you get in the box. Honestly, I feel like you get a lot more for your money. I know there was a second bundle that you could get as well, so there were 2 different ones, and I really don't know what the difference is. I don't know if it's the difference in packaging or if it's the difference in certain items. I'll have to look, because on the TikTok I've only seen people kind of talk about this box more than anything. Maybe it's the one that a lot of people chose over anything. But I mean, I can definitely say I have enough brushes to last me a while. But I'm so happy that I got the blush balm, and then I got the like brush cleaner, because I know this is one of their biggest sellers. And again, the sponges, you can never have too many sponges. The mascara, I mean, I could start doing without the mascara, in all honesty. Like, as much as I love their mascara, I don't need it in every bundle that I get, because they do other makeup products that a lot of people would probably like to try, but again, mascaras do run out quite quickly, so it might be nice to occasionally get a new one. So that was everything in this kind of like movie bundle. What do you guys think? Do you think it was worth £40? Do you think I absolutely wasted my money? I feel like I got quite a nice selection of things. Again, never run out of brushes, because I tend to film a lot of my videos in bulk, so I never have a lot of time to wash my brushes. Not to say that I don't wash them, but it's nice to have clean ones that I can use every so often on the sly. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, because I film and upload every time I get a chance to. Don't forget to follow me on any of my social medias, because I'm always active on there, and I hope you guys are doing very, very well, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.